Welcome back, everyone. This is Jay from the Crypto Arc coming back to you with more bullish cryptocurrency news for beginners in 2021. Now, before I get started, guys, I just want to say that nothing stated or nothing that's going to be stated in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so it's very important that you do your own research. All right, there is a lot of risk involved when it comes to trading cryptocurrency. Now, before I get started, I just want to remind you guys of where this economy is moving towards to, which is the fourth industrial revolution, where it's nothing but cryptocurrency, blockchain, artificial intelligence, and more. So basically, the digital world. All right, now moving forward, we have to check the unholy trinity. These benchmarks, wow, okay, yield rate went up, still stable in the 1.6 area, nearing 1.7, so that is putting pressure in the market. Moving forward, we got the dollar slightly gaining a bit, but it's still negative, trend. Oh wow, okay, never mind, it gained. That is going to put more pressure in the market. Crude oil still positive. Is that good? Oh yeah, all right, back to 66, so that will put more money in the market. So how I see it being played out today, with all those repos being done on Monday and as well as Tuesday, I think today will be good still. The market will be up. Now moving forward, let's check the repos. Okay, you know what? All right, so there's no additional repos right now, but you know what? It's still 12. They could change later on. But as of right now, there's no repos from the Fed. They however have that $50 billion a day to control the yield, as well as the $120 billion a month to spend on assets. So that's definitely going to stabilize the market in terms of the yield rate. But other than that, it's going way up. All right, so if you look at the market cap, yesterday it was around like 2.5 trillion, or just a couple of hours ago, and now it's at 244. And so that means, yeah, it is working. The market is getting pulled back a little bit, which is normal. Every single time after there's a pump, there's always a dump. And you see the volume there is 219. Yesterday it was hovering around 250, 280 billion. So that tells us there's less money flowing into the market right now. Not saying that's going to be permanent, it's just right now. Bitcoin dominance is at 42.4, going down. Yesterday it was 42.5. Ethereum dominance did go up, so that tells us, more money is going to Ethereum more. So basically telling us that it's phase 2 of the market. All right, let's take a look at this in the 30-day. You know what? Look at it here. Oh my God, no, it's frozen again. Okay, man. Okay, scroll up and down. Okay. All right, well, as you can see with the two indicators saying that it's going to put pressure on the market, you can see that on the right side of the graph, if you look at the white line, oh, that's Bitcoin dominant, the market cap, it did go down a slight bit, and then it went back up, and now it's going down again. But whatever, overall I still do think that we still got like a month of the market going up, so not too worried. It's gonna do its weekly cycle. So moving forward with the actual news, we have some news about the sun. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay, so we got a solar storm traveling at 1.3 million kilometers per hour to hit the Earth, apparently tomorrow. See, this article was made yesterday, so today actually it's gonna hit. So what's significant about this is it's going to affect the energy sector, okay? And if the energy sector is affected, then how is society going to move around when we're so reliant on energy, especially with the whole world moving towards digital? Anything to disrupt the energy sector is definitely going to be huge. it's gonna cause like trillions of dollars of problems. All right, now let's watch here. I just don't want to say it. I want to read it to you what they said. Solar storm of this power can lead to a weak power grid fluctuation and can have a minor impact on satellite operation. See? So it just goes to show that our energy grid will get affected. Now let's read what they say at the very end. Watch. While it is impossible to predict when and where a huge solar storm might hit, it is inevitable one will hit the planet in the future. So they're not even entirely sure. Risk consultancy firm Drayton Tyler said a solar superstorm is a when, not if event. In the worst case, the direct and indirect costs are likely to run into trillions of dollars with a recovery time of years rather than months. So there is going to be some rough parts coming up, and yes, we really can't say that this is telling the truth, but they play with the narratives and work around it. This wasn't put out there for just as a coincidence or an accident. It was put there for a reason. Now, but that's just my opinion. It's not financial advice. Moving forward, so how is that going to affect the DeFi sector or cryptocurrency overall? Well, insurance, cyber attacks, all that is going to happen. And here we have Shield Finance closing a private funding round to bring insurance to DeFi. There's not many insurance blockchain protocols right now. There is like DSLA, Safe Haven, we have DAG protocol for cybersecurity, QuantStamp, and now Shield Finance as well. So that's just 5. I'm talking about trying to cover the whole entire globe. We need more than that. So insurance is definitely coming to decentralized finance, which is a good thing, because decentralized finance, although it grants you like one of the biggest rewards, it also has the biggest risk, and some of those risks involve rug pulling and cyber attacks and hacks in the system, and people lose their money. So let's stay here. All right, so as you can see, anyone who has looked closely at how the DeFi industry works will know that there are big rewards, but equally significant risks to contend with. There is never a guarantee to make money in any industry, yet decentralized finance can provide more lucrative rewards to incentive users. Whether one wants to build, wow, I shouldn't have smoked weed. Whether one wants to provide liquidity or engage in yield farming, every opportunity has its own potential benefits and drawbacks. It is up to the users to carefully evaluate the options at their disposal and how they wish to approach them. So one of the strategies that I approach when it comes to risk management is that I don't put all my eggs in one basket. So like, let's say I have Cardano and I want to stake him. Yes, it would be more beneficial for me to stake all of them and get the most rewards. However, what I can also do is put half on one staking platform, like let's say ADA Lite, and then put the other half in Atomic wallet. So that just gives me a little bit more assurance that, let's say one company or one entity or node gets taken down, I still have that other node to provide me that weekly income. So that's one of my strategies, and once again, it's not financial advice. You can have your own strategy as well. So what exactly is Shield Finance? Shield Finance aims to change the narrative by serving as a DeFi insurance aggregator. A thoughtful approach as its aggregation engine can offer custom insurance packages tailored to one's needs. So just based on that, they're just going to offer many different packages, allowing enterprises and small businesses to have their own security using Shield Finance, and they don't have to pay one big fee. They can have custom fee for every single one that caters to them. That's a good thing. By working together with various exchanges and DeFi protocols, wallets, and yield farming providers, Shield Finance will provide more security, peace of mind, and convenience to users. It is essential to keep building a solid foundation for our decentralized finance to thrive. The project's multi-chain approach, spanning Polkadot, Ethereum, Solana, and Binance Smart Chain, will provide crucial to unlocking the full potential of insurance in DeFi. That's amazing. All right, and if you guys want to know where to get this, they are doing their IDO on Paid Networks platform on May 19, 2021. And if you guys want to look more into this, I highly suggest that you read into this article and look into Shield Finance more. All right, so that's it for that one. Moving forward, we have this. Coinmarketcap Advanced Time Machine takes XRP back 5 years. So what basically happened in this one is that Coinmarketcap has been showing data from 5 years ago where XRP is at instead of where it's at now, and apparently it's an accident, and it wasn't the first time too that they did it. Now what's significant about this is that a couple weeks ago, when XRP started rising from like 60 cents to $1 to over $1, there was a couple of exchanges having multi-trillion-dollar volume. Now that was just a couple of exchanges, not the big ones. Now the funny thing was that when it was being stress tested for that kind of volume, which I think they were like moving money around elsewhere, but I don't want to talk about that too much. But anyways, the price that was reflected, it was 50,000. All right, now I don't have the picture with me right now or in this presentation, but when I see it again, I'll definitely show you guys. And it wasn't the first time that I saw this kind of number as well. Multiple people have reported other numbers as well. One was like 20,000 last year. Another one earlier this year, around January, I saw 54,000 on one of the glitches. So there is some funny business happening in the background, as well as Ripple XRP is having this lawsuit with the SEC, and all these things are happening in the background. Makes you think, like, are they really having? Is that lawsuit really legit, or do they want us to think that they're having the fight that we think they're having? I don't know if I said that right, but anyways, I think they're just pretending, hiding things to distract us. Focus more here, not over here, because over here we're moving money around. We don't want you guys to find out. Anyways, let's read on this. So on May 7th, Coinmarketcap changed XRP circulating supply from 46 billion XRP to 35 billion, slashing its circulating supply by almost 11 billion XRP at $1.60. That is almost 17.5 billion in market cap. Other websites and platforms that use CoinMarketCap data similarly started showing 35 billion XRP in circulation, causing havoc and confusion amongst XRP holders and crypto space in general. Theories emerged that Ripple might have burned 11 billion XRP, or that 11 billion XRP were taken out of the supply as part of the settlement agreement. The change, however, is purely technical. So I don't know what you want to think about that, guys. They're not going to tell us. But it's up to you to connect the dots and also fill in the blanks. And yes, I am super bullish on XRP. If it was not for my friend telling me XRP, I would not be in the cryptocurrency world right now. And yeah, it's thanks to him that I'm in this space. And also, I gotta thank myself for waking up every single day, being happy, looking up all the different things about cryptocurrency, because one thing that you guys have to realize is that still to this date we are very, very early. You guys have no idea. So even though we're experiencing these price fluctuations now, you got to look at things. Well, I look at things from like 3 to 5, 7 years ahead when it comes to cryptocurrency, because it hasn't been massively adopted yet. Utility season hasn't even started, and a lot of these coins with heavy utilities and big backings are not even gaining the type of traction that I believe they deserve. And I can't even see where the full potential of cryptocurrency is going to be, because I don't know how many robots are gonna be out there in the later future, and these robots are going to be the one using the cryptocurrency more. And I don't know if you guys have seen the charts. These charts move simultaneously, almost instantly too, at the same time. There's no way in hell that that bunch of humans are doing that. It's these robots, and they have already stated before that the stock market is being run by bots. And so like these bots are running 24/7, whereas humans sleep. So like they have the advantage over us. So in the end, I do believe that, you know, the robots are eventually going to own mostly these cryptocurrencies, and the humans are just gonna be like, you know, they're gonna lose faith towards, or not lose faith, but they're gonna lose profit because, I don't know, they got bills to pay. So they're just gonna naturally sell some of their holdings, and then, you know, the bots will just buy their positions, making it more decentralized. But anyways, yeah, that's just my opinion. If you guys enjoy what you're listening to, just, you know, press like. And if you guys have any suggestions or any thoughts about what I'm saying, yo, comment on the video below or in the comment section. You know, it would definitely help the channel, and, you know, definitely support my hustle too, you know. And yeah, also subscribe. I will have more news. I can't put all the news all in one video. It's just too much, and I don't want to overload you guys with a bunch of information. But anyways, thank you guys for listening. That's all I have for this video. Moving forward to the next one. How do I